Extending warm greetings to respected panel of judges. We are pleased to present our project titled Tejas Arc, sensor-based AI-powered solar panel monitoring system using Myosa sensor platform and cloud dashboard. Solar energy systems often suffer from reduced efficiency due to environmental changes, dust accumulation, temperature variations, and delayed fault detection. Most conventional monitoring systems only display raw electrical values and fail to provide intelligent insights. This creates a gap between data availability and effective decision making. Our project aims to bridge this gap by combining Myosa based sensing, artificial intelligence, and a cloud based dashboard for intelligent and efficient solar panel monitoring. Tejas Arc system follows a three-layer architecture: the sensor layer, the AI server layer, and the cloud dashboard layer. Each layer is designed to work independently while remaining seamlessly connected, ensuring reliability and scalability. Our system integrates Myosa sensing with AI and cloud technologies to enable intelligent, scalable, and efficient solar panel monitoring. The Myosa sensor platform forms the foundation of our system. It continuously collects real time environmental and electrical parameters such as temperature, humidity, pressure, light intensity, voltage, and current. High quality sensor data is critical because AI models are only as accurate as the data they receive. Myosa sensors ensure consistent, real time, and reliable measurements under actual operating conditions. To improve precision, we integrated additional sensors alongside Myosa. INA 219 is used for accurate voltage, current, and power measurement. DS18B20 measures panel surface temperature, and BME 280 captures environmental conditions such as humidity. This combination enhances data reliability and directly improves AI prediction accuracy. The Myosa sends real-time sensor data in JSON format to a Flask-based REST API over Wi-Fi. The server validates the data and forwards it to the AI and database layers for further analysis. The Myosa motherboard acts as a communication gateway, enabling low latency and reliable data transmission to the cloud server. Flask splits data by first validating the pre-processing sensor inputs as pre-AI data, then routing AI predictions and alerts as post-AI data. Pre-AI data includes cleaned and normalized sensor values, while post-AI data contains predicted power, efficiency, and anomaly alerts. This separation improves system clarity, modularity, and scalability. The validated data is processed using machine learning techniques. Scikit-learn is used for pre-processing tasks such as normalization and feature scaling. A TensorFlow-based regression model then learns the relationship between environmental conditions and electrical outputs. The AI predicts expected power generation, calculates real-time efficiency, and detects performance anomalies caused by dust, overheating, abnormal conditions, etc. The cloud dashboard visualizes real time sensor data and AI predictions, enabling remote monitoring, performance analysis, and timely maintenance decisions. Our cloud dashboard transforms AI outputs into actionable, user friendly insights. Our system reduces efficiency losses, enables proactive maintenance, and improves overall energy output. Future improvements focus on refining AI accuracy, scaling the system to multiple panels, and enhancing decision making using real operational data. These enhancements are practical and achievable using the existing framework. To conclude, our project demonstrates how intelligent sensing, AI and analytics, and cloud technologies can work together to create a smarter and more efficient solar panel monitoring system. Thank you.